Hello friends, I am Naresh Kamble, and from today onwards we are going to start a new series of computer graphics. So let us see what we are going to learn today. So we are going to learn the basics of computer graphics, and this is first lecture. So first we are going to see the introduction. Second, what is image and object? Third, what is pixel and resolution? Fourth, what is aspect ratio? So let us start with our first lecture with the introduction part. So in introduction we are going to see what is the definition of computer graphics. Computer graphics are visual representation of data displayed on a monitor made on a computer. Computer graphics can be a series of images and which are mostly often called as videos or a single image. It is used in different kind of applications like movie making, video games, computer program development, scientific modeling, designing for advertising and other commercial arts. What is image and object? An image is a visual representation of something. It is a picture that has been created or copied and stored in an electron form. So it is a visual representation of something, and that something might be anything like an object, an image itself, or any other thing that can be easily captured. So an image can be in two formats. First, 2D, that is two-dimensional, and second, that is 3D, that is three-dimensional. Whereas an object refers to an item within a graphics such as graphic circle or a square. Oh, we can see a smiley. Yeah, he is also saying yes, I am a square. Now let us see what is pixel and resolution. The pixel represents the smallest element on the screen that can be controlled individually. Now the name pixel has came up with the picture plus element. This is how a pixel looks like. Wow, it's so colorful. It is having different color in it. But what are these colors? So it is having something which is called as rows and columns. So it is divided into row and column, and it forms something which is called as a grid-like structure, that is row into columns. Now let us see what is a resolution. So resolution refers to total number of count of pixels in a digital image. So it has m rows and n columns. Then its resolution can be defined as m into n. It is so simple, where m is nothing but the rows which is equal to height, and n are the columns which is equal to width. So let us see. So here you can see the rows are denoted by m, whereas the columns are denoted by n. So let us take an example. So if I am going to count a resolution of a computer, and if the resolution is 600 into 480, that is nothing but 600 is its height and 480 is its width, then we are going to get 2,88,000 pixels. Wow, it is a large count. Aspect ratio. Now let us see what is aspect ratio. So just look at the definition of aspect ratio. So it is an attribute that describes the relationship between the width and height of an image. So it looks like similar like the resolution, but no, it is different than the resolution. So the aspect ratio is always expressed by symbolic notation x into y or x of y. If a graphics display has an aspect ratio of 2:1, then it means that width is twice as large as the height. So let us see some examples of aspect ratio. So here you can see bunch of aspect ratios written in every monitor. So let us see the first three images. In the first three images the aspect ratio is 21:9, but at the top of it is written that is 55-inch TV 21:9, second 55-inch TV with 16:9, and last one 4:3. The meaning of this is nothing but 21:9 is the default aspect ratio, but we can set different aspect ratio in that default. So in second image you can clearly see that 16:9, this is the aspect ratio which can be fit within the 21:9. Similarly, you can see on the second row, it is 16:9 with different kind of aspect ratio. And in the third one, 4:3 is the aspect ratio. 4:3 is the default aspect ratio. So friends, this was the first lecture of our computer graphics, that is starting with the basic knowledge of computer graphics. So I request you all to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you.